I analyzed HubSpot's homepage with a conversion lens, and there's one problem hiding in plain sight. HubSpot is giving visitors too many things to do at once, and if you run a SaaS website, the same mistake is probably hurting your conversions too. To test this, I ran HubSpot's homepage through my tool called firstfix. Firstfix analyzes a page and identifies the single highest impact change that could improve conversions. Not 10 suggestions, just the first fix. Here's what it flagged on HubSpot. The homepage presents too many actions and information at once, leading to cognitive overload. In plain English, the page is asking visitors to process too many choices immediately. When you land on the HubSpot homepage, the headline says, "Where go-to-market teams go to scale." Underneath that, HubSpot explains that marketing, sales, and customer service can run on one AI-powered customer platform. So the positioning is clear. HubSpot wants to be the operating system for revenue teams. Then you reach the main actions, 2 large buttons, get a demo, and get started free. Those are the 2 primary paths HubSpot wants visitors to take. Talk to sales, or start using the product. But the moment you look at the full page, something becomes obvious. There are too many competing actions above the fold. Navigation menus, product dropdowns, solutions, resources, pricing, search, login, 2 CTAs, a chatbot popping up, multiple clickable elements competing for attention. Individually, none of these are bad, but together they create a busy first impression, and busy pages slow people down. When someone lands on a website, they're not reading carefully, they're scanning. Their brain is trying to answer 3 questions almost instantly. What is this? Is it relevant to me? What do I do next? If the answer to that 3rd question is obvious, people move forward. There are too many options, people hesitate, and hesitation kills conversions. This is a common problem with large SaaS websites. As the product grows, the homepage starts trying to explain everything. More features, more products, more audiences, more entry points. Eventually, the hero section becomes a summary of the entire company. But high converting pages usually do the opposite. They simplify the top of the page. Instead of showing everything, they guide the visitor toward the single most important next step. Right now on the HubSpot homepage, attention is scattered. The headline is strong, but the visitor's eye jumps between navigation, buttons, menus, and interface elements. Nothing clearly wins the attention battle. The fix here is actually pretty straightforward. Simplify the above-the-fold experience. Reduce the number of immediate options, and focus the hero section on the core value proposition and the primary action. For example, the page could emphasize one dominant action, either push visitors toward starting free or push them toward booking a demo, but make that next step unmistakably clear. Right now, both options compete equally, which means neither one fully wins. Another improvement would be reducing the number of clickable elements visible in the hero section. Too many options create decision fatigue, and decision fatigue slows people down. Conversion design is really about attention. You guide the visitor's eye, first to the headline, then to the value, then to the action. If the next step is obvious, momentum builds. If the next step requires thinking, momentum disappears. And when a site gets as much traffic as HubSpot does, even small improvements in clarity can translate into a huge increase in leads and signups. That's exactly why I built firstfix. Most websites don't need a full redesign. They just need the first fix that removes the biggest conversion leak. If you want to see what that change might be on your own site, run it through the tool. Go to firstfix.dev. Paste your URL, and it will show you the single highest impact fix to test first. Because most of the time, the problem isn't your product. The problem is that your page is asking visitors to think too much. And the best websites remove that thinking. They simply show people where to go next.